Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 280. The noun phrase today is the bitter end. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. The bitter end by itself is the end of a long and difficult process. It is often used in the phrase to the bitter end. Okay, let's continue. Many claim the origin of this term is nautical, from the sea or sailing or boats. The bitter end itself is the exact part of the chain, rope, or cable that is attached inside the vessel, so inside the ship or the boat. When a ship or boat is trying to anchor, and if you reach the bitter end, you have no more rope or chain or cable for the anchor to reach the bottom of the seabed. Which would be a serious problem. It means that you really can't anchor there. You probably have to pull it back up again and try to anchor somewhere else. Even though most boats usually don't let that down unless they know that they have enough to reach the bottom, so they can anchor. All right, let's continue. And we got 4 examples of just the way we might hear it used. Okay, good. Oh, well, we got one other line here too. Of course, the way the phrase is used today, the bitter end is used to mean a very unpleasant end. So that's the way we mostly use it today. Okay, so here's the first one. He suffered with that illness right until the bitter end. Yeah, we often hear this, like when, just before somebody's going to die or something. Number 2, no matter what happens, I will fight to the bitter end. Yeah, that's another one. We often say that somebody will fight until the bitter end. Number 3, even though they eventually lost, she supported him to the bitter end. Okay. And the last one here, they had to struggle to the bitter end, but it was worth it because they ended up victorious. So they won in the end. So it was worth all the struggle. But it still was not an easy one. It was still a very difficult end. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. Hope it was informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.